In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case you have a bunch of blinking lights over here on the control panel, or only one light that is blinking on your HP DeskJet 2842e or many other models looking like this one. So this can happen for many reasons. First of all, it could be just the printer being broken, but also maybe you have a paper jam. First thing I always recommend, if you have any issues with those lights blinking and the printer not being able to do anything, is to go on the back and remove the power cable. Alright? Let it sit like this for at least 3 minutes. Don't touch it. Then we need to check for a paper jam in case this was the reason. There's a few different places where you can check for one. The most obvious one is in the front here, and then we open the second lid. Take a look inside. If you see anything that is stuck there, try to get it with your fingers or with tweezer. Hopefully you'll be able to unstuck it. If not, don't worry, I have another place where you can check. Turn your printer upside down. Okay. And over here, you're gonna notice you have a blue label, blue tape. Just remove it. And then we can open this panel over here. It's held by those two clips. Push on those clips. And then take a look here. Maybe there is something stuck. If there is a piece of paper there, simply remove it. Don't forget to close this and lock it. Now go ahead and connect it back. Make sure you insert this cable all the way in. And then power back on your printer by pressing on the power button. Now wait for about a minute until everything is set up and try printing again. If you see the Wi-Fi light blinking, it simply means that it's trying to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Once the light stops blinking, it means that it's connected. You can always reset the Wi-Fi settings of this printer if nothing gets solved. You simply need to press the Wi-Fi button at the same time as this X button, both at the same time, for about 10 seconds or until the flashing power button stops blinking. Because once you're gonna press on these buttons, this will start blinking. When it stops, lift your fingers. And then you'll be able to reconnect it to another Wi-Fi network, or maybe just reconnect it to yours. Finally, another blinking light that could happen is these ones over here. This is simply to tell you that the link level is getting low and you need to think of replacing them. Don't replace them right away unless the printer is not able to print. But once you're at the last bar, these lights will start flashing, and yeah, just be prepared to replace them at any time. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, but also comment down below if you have other solutions or if one of these worked for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.